Where some of these machines have broken down. We had an example of a machine from one district, Mubende. It has taken us a lot of money, and we were even wondering what did the people do with that machine, because the kind of devastation which at first you could not even believe it. So it looked like they had no operator. They had a driver who tried to use the machine, and he really did very, very big damage on it. So this is what we want to avoid.
Japan aspires to be a partner growing together with Africa. Japan contributes strongly to the development of Africa by overcoming challenges in Africa together with Africa. By doing so, Japan learns and grows too. Japan as a partner takes an approach which focuses on people.
Institution egenda kubanga eyongera obukugu eri ba operators. Badde nga tulina ba operators nga ebyuma bavuga bivuge naye nga tebabi operating. So nga Luweero tuwelokamenga institution yeno egenda kutuwa ba skilled operators mu ggwanga mu Luweero baberenga ebyuma byaffe government eyawakati byatuweereza ate basobola okuba nga babi operatinga n'obukugu.
The JICA team is also available right behind in this line, so we will have you and recognize you for that contribution. I would like now to accept civil servants honorary. There is the chief mechanical engineer behind you.
Okudde twakitandika n'omukulu Nawula Nadi
Sebo Kamering, and this one